So, good evening, everyone. The topic for GD is coaching centers are destroying the education. So, I in like this is true because many of the coaching centers are students join after their school or with their school or colleges and so in this way they have to manage both the things on the same time, and that's why they hardly get time uh, for themselves, and there's a long time for required for the coaching centers and all. So that's why this causes the burden on the student. And also in coaching centers, the way of teaching is one way, like the teacher is teaching, but he's not giving attention to personally to any student, like in school and all, like in school or anything else, where teacher give personal attention to the student, like if there is a student who is weak, so in school, uh, teacher give personal attention to the student. But this is not the scenario in coaching and all. The teacher used to just teach, and whether you are following or not, they just keep doubt classes and all for doubt session and for doubts and all. So this is also like a drawback of a coaching centers, like and also there's one thing, like the fees of the coaching centers are very high. So the students who belong to the poor family and they do not have much income, so they hardly can afford the coaching centers. And when most of the students are going to the coaching centers, and the school teachers and college teachers became lethargic, and they do not teach in the way they need to do. So in this way, the poor students are suffering, and they are lagging behind because of this system. So this is the in this way, coaching centers are destroying the education. And one thing also, like they are uh, doing just for their business and all. There are few coaching centers who which also do not have like very highly educated or very good teacher who can convey their knowledge to the students in a way like they should do. So they are all doing because of their businesses and all. And the resultant is this, like students hardly get time for themselves, and the system is draining out of the creativity and like extracurricular activities from the children's routine. So I think they are coaching centers are destroying the education. So I give my I would like to I would like Devansh to give his opinion.
In my opinion, coaching centers are not destroying education because we students go to coaching centers because we don't get enough quality of education in our schools. Like we are studying coaching of English for learning English, but we are studying in English medium for last 12 to 13 years. And also we can ask doubts easily in coaching centers. Like I used to ask doubts for half an hour or 40 minutes, even after the class in my coaching center. So the coaching centers are good, but yeah, they charge fees because they give quality of education. In we are going to coaching centers because the quality of education in our schools, teachers are not ready to tell our doubts, to solve problems, or solve some extra questions we ask. So we go to coaching centers, and fees are chargeable. So they also do business. I know in some places there is a lack of quality in coaching centers as well, but the coaching centers are not destroying the education system. The school are destroying the education system. If teachers will be good at school, why a student will go to a coaching center? So I will hand it over to Kanishka.
Yeah, I also feel that the coaching centers are not destroying education. Even they provide a better understanding to the student. As Mansi said that in the coaching centers the student doesn't get the personal attention, but I feel a student gets a more personal attention in the coaching centers because they are paying for it. And even in schools, student are somehow hesitant to ask their doubts to the teachers, because we don't know what like how the teacher's mood is about. Maybe she scolds us for asking a silly question or what, we don't know. So in coaching centers we can easily clear our doubts. Even teacher gives us extra time and gives us tests are also regularly conducted. And in school somehow uh, teachers, I feel means it happened with me, so I feel that sometimes teacher behave partially also. And In my point of view, coaching centers are not destroying education, even they are providing a better quality of education. And even I have seen in my school itself that teacher says in the PTM, when I often go to the PTM, even the teacher says, have you given her, I mean that, is she going to the tuition, has she's attending the tuition or not. They doesn't say that why you are going to the coaching centers when we teachers are imparting a good education and providing them a proper classes. But I have found that they from their side say that, are you going to, have you joined any coaching classes or tuition? So in somehow schools are now getting lethargic and are not paying attention to the students education. Now I pass on to Sneha.
Actually, in my point of view, uh, if I say that schools are destroying the quality of education, because in schools, usually teachers don't focus on students. They just focus on the tuitions. Like they don't really work hard on the school students because they want to earn from the tuitions too. So as we say that, yeah, schools are destroying the education level and they are destroying this. And talks about coaching center. They are too responsible for it. Firstly, they charge high fees because of their former students who cleared a good rank in any exam. Most of the coaching centers are for UPSC, IIT. They just focus their student to get into IIT and IITs and these all. They just make up the mind of the student. They have to do this, otherwise nothing. There is nothing left for the students. They just make up this mind. Actually, I have a cousin who is going through this. I think he wasted 3 years of his life for the NEET, but he didn't crack it. Now he took admission in uh, Chandigarh DAV college, I think something. So he indirectly destroyed 3 years of his life. They just make up the mind that you have to do this and otherwise nothing, just for the income, just for the income. Indirectly, both are destroying the level of education. And teachers in the school are not working hard, really not working hard. I'm from a semi-government school where the teacher get their salary is around 1.5 lakh per month, but they were not working hard. They just came and give a small lecture. They just drop the topic, which they just give an overview of the topic. They don't even try to get into problems. They just ask, do you have any problem? If somebody not say anything, they'll not go to exercise. That's it. So indirectly, school are destroying the level of education. When students are not getting good education in the school, then the students are going for the coaching centers. And coaching centers are the fab, the main destroyer of today's adult minds. Seriously. So indirectly, both are responsible. So I'll not blame any single one. That's about me.
Nandini.
Actually, in my opinion, yes, coaching classes are destroying the education system, because if you see if there's a single coaching class in any local colony or in any in any colony, so what it comes to, like, if there are many students and it's working so good, then someone else will thought for it. and the second person will also try to open a coaching class in there in competition with that. And in those competition, they're not focusing on the children, they're focusing on their income, their facilities, everything. And any and the other thing is that, okay, coaching classes are just promising too high that the children are getting attracted with them. Like they are promising that we are providing you 100% scholarship, or we will make your admission in IIT or anything. Their children are getting attracted with them, and when they're not having the results, they are saying that yes, coaching classes are bad. So what I think a child can learn from their own also, but if he is interested in that, coaching classes are just a source to provide. Sorry, coaching classes are just a source to provide you a pillar for your education system, nothing else. And not there will be a pillar and will be it is giving you a strength, then it's good. But if you're not having a strength from that coaching classes, then it's not a big problem that you will not. It's same like that. And what I really think is that coaching classes are most of the coaching classes are having a competition with others. They're not focusing on the children more. Thank you.
Yeah, like I agree to the Sneha's point also. Like school system is also responsible. But if I talk about my like my experience, in my town, there are teachers who teach in a school also, and they take coaching classes also. So what the teacher do is, if a student is not going to their coaching class, he or she will not get marks enough in the school. So in this way they are doing injustice with the student, and in this way coachings are causing harms. But also they do not teach in a school the way they used to teach in coaching. So this is the main problem. They are doing just for their business to earn more. And like I was not agree with the I Kanishka said, her teacher said, are you going to coaching classes or not? But this is not the scenario with you can experience in every time in every school. There are different approach of different people. So um, when when our teacher used to get know, like if we are going to any other coaching or any other institutions, so there was some kind of a partiality with the student, if the student is doing so. So they are different peoples, and they have different approaches. So this is why coaching systems and school education both are responsible for this. If a school give a better education, why will a student go to a coaching center? But if we talk about the competitive exams, sometimes they need coaching centers also, because they gives us a strategy, and they gives us a proper uh, like books and the required materials uh, according to the syllabus of exams that what it demands. So in this way they are doing better. But if we talk about the school children, so in this way, for school students, coaching centers are playing a bit harmful role.
I was talking about my experience that in my school, my
Yeah,
teacher
that's what I said.
said
There are
this
different
thing.
peoples, and they have different approaches. That's why I said.
So I was just
Yeah.
telling my experience, not my opinion. Even I am not, even I am enough that much, and if I have that much understanding level, I won't approach to coaching centers. Even if my teachers are making me that much understand about the topic, then I won't go for the coaching centers. but it has happened that teachers are not paying much attention to the students education, so that's why parents are also willing to send their students to the coaching.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
the teacher. You can.
Devansh, continue.
Yeah, teachers are not paying attention. Like when I was in class 10th, the first time I went to coaching, so there was a difference when teacher was just reading the chapter and not explaining. Like used to come and read the science book, but not explain anything. But when I went to coaching for the first time, so I was fascinated because the teacher read the refreshers and explained every point and the doubts that I asked. So yeah, they are important, and coachings are not destroying. In and coming to competitive exams, like in class 12th, I used to call my teacher at late night at 12 to ask doubt, and he used to solve my doubts. And we used to stand for hours asking doubts of different subjects like physics, maths, and he could solve any questions. But when we ask doubt in our schools, so they just solve one or two questions and they say they will solve it next day. And and I have also experienced that there is a very different things in competitive exams and school exams, because the first exam I give in the coaching regular test that I have studied in my school, and directly went to coaching to give the exam. I just failed, got 6 out of 60 marks. So then I came there to know that there is a very huge difference between competitive exams and board exams. So we need coaching for competitive exams and other exams as well.
And even in competitive exams we are willing to take that coaching, because somehow we feel that they are experienced and they have given and they have imparted education to so many students, so we somehow feel that might we also be able to go for that, and uh, after that we can also crack that exam and get the further admission in the college. And even with the school teachers, I have found whenever I go to the PTM, if I don't score well, so she says, Kanishka, performance down ja rahi hai. She never says what problem you are facing, tell me, I'll help you with the doubts, we'll stay back together and I'll give you some questions, you solve it and I'll check it for you. You solve some sample papers, then I'll check that paper and tell you what where you are lagging. She never says that, but in the coaching centers they take our test and clear our doubts, where you are lagging, where you need improvement. They give us point by point explanation about our performance.
Yeah, like for competitive exams, I also agree that we need coaching classes like for UPSC, IITs, and NEET and all, because they give us question banks, and the test series is also helpful for the student. But when like in my experiences, I for school education, like below 10th class, and like you say, if after now this is a trend, like after 5 or after fourth, student is going to coaching classes and taking extra classes after school. So this is not required, like if a school teachers will teach in a better way. But this is also a big failure of Indian education, like India, like the teachers in government school and semi-government schools are not qualified enough, and they usually get recruited, uh, and there's a system, like I think so there's this is because of corruption and other kind of thing, like not deserving candidate get the right job there, and that's why the faculty is lagging here. So this in my opinion, this is the case, what I have experienced, and uh, uh, what I've experienced, I think. So this is the main reason, like teacher is not qualified enough to teach, and that's why the students goes to the coaching centers and all. But if the uh, but if the teachers are qualified enough, and they do their job properly, then this can be cured, like this can be solved.
If I talk about my experience, actually I'm from a semi-government school, which is very reputed school in the Rohtak. Student hardly get admission in that school because they usually had entrance for that, and we only have a class of 50 students in each class. Only 50 students. This is the limited number of the school. Still they are not teaching good. They are very well educated. They are giving coaching, teaching on coaching centers, many of the coaching centers, but they're still not doing their best in school, and they are getting, I think, 1 to 1.5 lakh per month.
They are business minded.
Yeah, kind
Like
of.
my school is a private school, a very reputed one. Still, they are charging very much a high amount of fees from student, but still they are not giving a quality of teachers
I
compared
won't
to
say
other
about
school.
the fees. The fees was very low of my school. It's around
Eh.
7K something.
But my school was private, still private school, a heavy fees. They charge a heavy fees, but still they are not providing a good teachers. Like my chemistry teachers doesn't even know the formula names of chemical compounds. She used to come and teach us with a book, like turning on pages what is written in the book in 11th and 12th class.
Yeah, then like we cannot say anything then, if this is a
See,
scenario in private school also.
see, we can't say that coaching centers are destroying the education. They are just destroying the life of the average students. They just make up the mind of the student that a student below than you are have cleared the IITs. They are going through this. They just make up that you have to do this, otherwise you have nothing to do in your life. This is wrong, very wrong. This just make the perspective of the student that this is wrong,
This
this
is
is
wrong.
bad. Yeah,
But we can
this
change
is
the
the drawback
system.
of the coaching centers.
We can change the system of
This is
the
with only
government schools, like
competitive
Delhi government has
institute.
changed. Like Delhi government is improving their schools. We can use that policy in all the Indian states for improving the quality of education in a school. Okay, the meeting is upgraded. Unlimited time meeting today also. A message
No.
popped up.
No, there are no,
A message
there's
popped
no.
up that
Popped
missing
up.
has
The
limited time.
message was popped up.
Okay,
Yeah.
in my screen I didn't get any notification. So how many time remaining? How much time? How much time?
It's
Meeting
not
is
showing
unlimited
anything
for
like
10. If you will end the meeting only, then the meeting will end. It is for unlimited duration.
Okay. So
But I also had message that this meeting is not.
I don't
I
know.
also got a message.
Okay, I think we should give our opinion and conclude, then we can end our meeting. So in my opinion, coaching centers are not completely destroying, but they are partially responsible. And school is also responsible for education system, and the whole education system requires something to improve. And there are some key points required for the betterment of education system. So none of them, school or coaching, are solely responsible. They both are responsible, like we have discussed. so many points. So coaching centers for competitive exams and all are doing better, because even I want to join a coaching center. I cannot do everything on my own. I need guidance at some point of at some point, like what to do here and what to do there. So coaching centers are doing better in competitive exams and all. But if we talk about the education system, both have to work hard to do better, like school and college, both have to do work hard.
Yeah. Nowadays, like
Yeah.
digital coaching centers are also harming the student. Like there are apps like Byju's which are giving coaching for KG students, KG to class 12th, but the quality of their content is also not good.
Yeah, that's what my point is. Like in the early education, like in the early school period, we do not require coaching and
My
coachings
internet
and all.
was not there, so my
Yeah.
data was not
I
there, so I
But like during
can't
board
listen to your
exams,
point.
during board exams and for NEET, IIT, UPSC and all, I agree that we need education, we need coaching centers, but not for the students. Like for pre-education and then from primary schools, we need coaching centers. I think their teachers are well educated, and they are good enough to teach the primary students.
Yeah. We don't need coachings for up to class 8 because there is
Yeah,
not very huge
from the
syllabus,
class
but
ninth,
there's a
there's some
ninth we need
difficulties
coaching
yeah,
centers
because there are chapters including
because
like physics and
there is
chemistry and all. Then
syllabus comes.
yeah, it is getting difficult from by grading when the grades getting higher. So in this way, I was like that's what I was trying to say. For the primary education and the for primary school students, we do not need education. We do not need coaching classes, but
Coaching.
this has become a fashion, like fashion nowadays.
Yeah. I have seen the students of LKGs or just nursery classes going for coaching centers. Actually, parents also need to understand that coaching centers are not only thing the parents can teach at home their children.
Yeah, but there's one thing behind this, uh, the both of the parent, if both of the parents are working, they do not have time. That's why I think they are doing so. But even then, the primary students, like
But
they
they can
hardly
spare some
study.
time.
Yeah, they hardly do study more than like 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours are more than enough for them. They do not study more than that.
1 hour is enough for KG students and nursery
Yeah,
students.
yeah,
Why they
for
are sending
pre-education.
coaching centers or 2 an hour?
Yeah. In this way they are doing business, and the
They're
like
killing the creativity of children.
yeah, they do not learn how to study on their own, how to get the thing on their own. How can we understand just by the reading chapter and just by doing their own self own. So in this way they are harming the system. So I think everyone has made their point clear, and we should end our meeting here. Okay.